It's Lando, aka Landisha, coming to you from my YouTube channel. And today, I got a cute little video for you guys. So lately there's been this video trend going around on YouTube of people letting their pets, whether it's a cat, dog, bird, I don't know, them letting their pets pick their makeup for them, and then they do their makeup based off of what their pets pick. Which is basically what I just said, but worded differently. And so today I thought I would join in on the fun, but except I don't actually have a pet, so I'm gonna take it just a completely different route. So today I'm going to let my one and only Gloomy Bear pick my makeup for you guys. Now I know what you guys are thinking, Lando, that's a stuffed animal, but shut up, mind your business. Now Gloomy Bear has been in my life since I came across and adopted and picked him up in New York City Comic-Con in 2010, and it's been amazing ever since. Now, I know y'all are probably gonna think I'm a psycho for doing this, but listen, if Miles could have a whole bit that lasted for a few years of him being with a broom, then y'all can deal. Okay, now let me just give you guys a little bit of backstory on Gloomy Bear. He is a anime / cartoon character, and when he was just a little baby cub, he was found and taken in by a little white boy. Was he white? I don't know. He looked white from the cartoon pictures. He had blonde hair, and you know that might be me just jumping to conclusions, but you know, we're just gonna roll with it, okay? And plus y'all got Google, so you know, y'all could look it up and correct me if you want. So he was taken in by this boy, and it was beautiful. It was love at first sight, I guess. And the boy nursed him and cared for him and loved him until Gloomy Bear grew older and got bigger and ate his ass. And when I say ate his ass, I don't mean like, you know, I mean quite literally he ate him and mutilated him and tortured him. You know, I just love a happy ending, don't you? Now I'm going to let Gloomy Bear pick up my makeup, so yes, let's get started. Okay, so welcome to my wrinkled backdrop. And so first things first, we have foundations here. We got LA Colors Truly Matte, Maybelline Superstay, Fancy Beauty. Yes, these two are dirty as hell. Don't judge me. I have L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow and this Lorac Natural Performance Foundation. Which I don't like this foundation that much because she's ashy and greasy as hell. So let's hope that she don't get picked. And so now we got Gloomy here. Say hi. Are you ready? 1, 2. Okay, so from the looks of it, this Maybelline Superstay is the winner. Thank God. So next category is concealers, and I have this e.l.f. Cover Everything concealer. I have this Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. I have the LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation in a lighter color because that works too as a concealer. And I have my LA Girl Pro Conceal, a cult favorite. Oh yay! Picked Wet n Wild. Alright, so we got our concealer picks. So next up is eyeshadow palettes. We have the Target and Disney Mickey Mouse palette. I have this Beauty Creations Irresistible palette, Maybelline City Mini palette, and Urban Jungle, the e.l.f. X Christian Siriano palette, and my Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette. Wow, he picked like all of them. Alright, since his hair is touching this, we're just gonna use this baby right here. Okay, so next up is bronzer and contour. I have this Style Essentials Pro Artist Bronzer Palette. I have this e.l.f. Bronzing Palette in Bronze Beauty. Wow, this actually had a name. I didn't know that. And this cheap little LA Colors bronzer. So, let's see which one. Wow, you ain't had nothing. Alright, so this one is the winter. Okay, so next up, which is my favorite category, it is highlights. We have this Color Story Cosmic Glow Highlighting Palette. The e.l.f. Prism Eyeshadow Palette, which I always use for highlighting. This e.l.f. Baked highlighter. I mean eyeshadow. Ah, shit. This e.l.f. Baked eyeshadow, which I've been using for highlight. This e.l.f. highlighter in Sunlight Glow. Starlight Glow, my bad. Shit, there's a whole lot of e.l.f. up in here. And there's 2 highlighters in here from AOA Studios, which is shopandSay.com. Oh god, that's crusty. Just know that there's highlighters in there. I guess this one's it. Fine. It's not what I would have picked, but it's fine. That's what Gloomy Bear wants. Okay, last but not least is lips. Now this is a little bit of a bigger selection. I have some NYX, Wet n Wild, NYX again, MAC, Too Faced, Wet n Wild again, and Ellen Tracy. So, okay. Fuck. God damn it. Ah! Okay, I guess MAC is the winner. Alright, well, this was fun. So, ooh, look at my nails. They're crusty and I'm probably ashy as hell. So let's get into the makeup. Okay, so here I am, barefaced again, looking crusty, not looking like a model, not looking like Linda Evangelista, looking more like Roadkill on the side of the street. So I purposely skipped a few steps like brows, lashes, and powder because those only have like maybe 1 or 2 products to choose from, or only use 1 ride or die product for those steps. Okay, so I hope y'all forgive me. Alright, and if you don't, then deal with it. It's hot as hell. I don't got time for that. I'm not too sure what kind of eye look I'm going for, so bear with me. So I'm gonna go into my Irresistible palette, and I think I'm gonna do a soft red smoky. So I'm gonna just take Real Guard right here and just pop that into the creasy crease. Now I'm gonna take this flat brush and I'm just going to take red ochre and I'm going to pat that onto my lid. I've really been into a simple matte but effective smoky eye lately, so that is exactly what I'm going to be doing for y'all. Do that. Okay, so I don't use primer, so that's why I skipped that step. So I'm just gonna go right into my foundation, my Maybelline Superstay in the shade 320 Honey. And I'm actually running pretty low on this, so let's hope it cooperates with me. I'm gonna just go in with my LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation since this was right next to my Maybelline, and Gloomy Bear actually did hit this. And this is in the shade Deep Tan. There we go. That is exactly what I'm looking for. Right now I'm just using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Medium Beige. Now while I let this sit on my face for a little, I do want to go back to this foundation right here, the LA Colors Truly Matte. And also with the Maybelline Superstay, these are bomb foundations, but the shade ranges are ass. I think this one only comes in 16 shades and this one comes in like 14. And like I heard that Maybelline is extending the shade range for this. So, you know, that's good. Better later than never. But LA Colors Truly Matte, the shade range is terrible. And let me tell you something. This is actually the second bottle that I got, because the first one I got is this, which is in the shade Warm Honey. Now, this is in the shade Honey too. And honestly, these are 2 completely different shades of honey. Like, the swatches on the website for this Truly Matte foundation look completely darker than what it is in person. I want to show you what they think Warm Honey is. This is what they think Warm Honey looks like. And this is beige. This is hella ashy. Like, LA Colors, come on sis. Get that shit together. Like, how you gonna have a bomb ass freaking foundation that is affordable at that and just have 100 shades of white and 2 shades of caramel and brown. Like, but then again, that's how it is with most drugstore foundations and even some high-end foundations and cosmetics and Tarte. Okay, so I'm going to blend this concealer out, do my powder, and then I'm going to be right back. And for my contour slash bronze, well, I already did my contour, so now I got a bronze. I'm going to go into my Style Essentials Pro Artist Bronzing Palette. I'm going to take a little bit of these 4 colors right here. It's alright. So now it's finally time for my favorite part, and that is highlighting. I'm gonna go into my Color Story Cosmic Glow Highlighter Collection. And oh, she's a little raggedy right now, but it's all good. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. highlighting brush, and I'm gonna go into this pink shade right here, and just pop her on the high points of my cheeks. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this fluffy Wet n Wild brush. I think it's like a blending eyeshadow brush, but I use this to highlight my nose and all that. So I'm gonna take that pink shade again, and hopefully I'm not blocking the camera. And this is also gonna help to snatch my nose. Also, for those off camera, I did my eyelashes, and of course my lashes are wonky as hell, but you know, that's nothing new. So last but not least, it's time to go into my MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade High Drama. As you guys can see, I'm using the pointed tip to sort of overline my lips because my top lips are a little bit smaller than my bottom lips. But I am not going to no one's doctor to get any type of silicone plumped into my lip. I don't like the look of that, so it's just never gonna happen. Woo! That was rough. Okay guys, so this is the final look. It was a little rough getting to this point, but we're here, and I like it. I really like it. Now, if these eyelashes would stop cutting up, and if this damn mark right here wasn't here, then, you know, this would be a full 100. But you know what? I can't complain, because I like this look. I look poppin'. I'm ready to go out and slay. Let's give one big shout out to Gloomy Bear for helping me beat my face to perfection and helping me look this snatch. So thank you. Bye. If you stuck around throughout the whole video, then thank you for watching me act a fool on watching this mess of a video. Of course, if you like this video, if you like me, if you like my channel, hit the thumbs up bell button. Look, all my contact information, Instagram, Snapchat, my email, everything you want to know will be in the description bar down below. Smash that subscribe button, okay? Stop being fake. If you ain't subscribed to me, then I'm gonna have to roll up to your crib, and it's gonna be us on site, you know what I mean? And of course, hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my new videos. And of course, watch one of my previous uploads. Y'all know the drill already. I will leave it right here. So yeah, in the next video, I will talk to all of you guys soon. Mwah. Bye. Oh, also, do you guys like my new shirt? It's hella cute, right? Non-conforming, because bitch, I don't conform to no one's rules. And neither should you. Alright, bye for real this time.